This is the BOM for the whole motorcycle, right inside SOLIDWORKS. Each part already carries a vendor. Where one's missing, you just pick it from the list. Head over to Orders, and there's nothing here yet. So, create one for this BOM. Set the number of units, 10 in this case, add a description, and save. The order's created, and OpenBOM opens the full picture. Every part that goes into 10 bikes, the vendor for each one, how much you already have, and how much you're actually short. One click on Create Purchase Order, and it's generated. Because different vendors were assigned, OpenBOM splits it automatically. A separate purchase order for every vendor involved. Open any one of them, and you've got exactly what that vendor needs to supply. Track quantity received right alongside the order, and when you're ready, export it. A clean PDF ready to send straight to the vendor, or go back in. The export options here cover almost every field on the order. Select every field, include the revision number in the file name, and download the whole thing as a zip. That zip has every drawing, every model file, every document tied to the order. Open any file straight from the folder, from a BOM to a fully documented purchase order, in one click.